Have you ever considered how profoundly the simple act of casting a ballot shapes our society and impacts the lives of countless individuals? It is a fundamental right, yet its history in the United States is far from straightforward, marked by persistent struggle and resilience. Historically, voting rights in the United States have been challenged through a complex and evolving array of legal, legislative, and extralegal tactics, specifically targeting Black Americans and other marginalized groups to limit their political power and societal participation. These efforts were designed to maintain existing power structures and disenfranchise eligible citizens. The core mechanisms behind these challenges stemmed from a deep-seated desire to control political outcomes and uphold systems of racial hierarchy. Following Reconstruction, Southern states enacted Jim Crow laws and black codes, which used seemingly neutral requirements like poll taxes, literacy tests, and grandfather clauses to disproportionately prevent Black citizens from registering and voting. The authority of state legislatures was often invoked to justify these discriminatory practices, creating a legal facade for systemic oppression. Understanding these historical challenges involves recognizing the intentional design of these barriers. Poll taxes required payment to vote, which impoverished Black citizens often could not afford. Literacy tests, often administered subjectively by white registrars, used impossible questions or were waived for white voters under grandfather clauses, linking voting rights to the lineage of pre-Reconstruction voters. Additionally, physical intimidation, economic coercion, and even violence from groups like the Ku Klux Klan served as extralegal methods of voter suppression. One insightful detail is the concept of white primaries, which were prevalent throughout the South. These were primary elections held by the Democratic Party, which was effectively the only viable party in the region, and which excluded Black voters from participating. Since winning the Democratic primary was tantamount to winning the general election, this effectively disenfranchised Black citizens from the real political process, a practice the Supreme Court finally outlawed in 1944. By appreciating the intricate and often insidious ways voting rights were challenged, we gain a clearer understanding of the ongoing efforts to protect and expand access to the ballot box, reinforcing the notion that active civic engagement is crucial for a truly representative democracy.